So we are live. Okay. Yes. So we are live from India. Nasdaq future session. Yes. So I've taken a short trade. Entered it at around 29,906 micro Nasdaq. In a very good setup here. Basically, I'm expecting a target around somewhere 29, at least till 756, somewhere around here. Great. So currently we are at around $124 profit, single lot, micro Nasdaq. I've shorted it around 29,906. Current level is around 29,845, and it's 7:15 CDT right now. Yeah. Trade is going good. So what are you guys trading today? Let me know. Okay. Right. So I'm gonna be posting a poll for you guys. You see the buying pressure getting weaker and weaker right away here. The volume's getting lesser and lesser, and we hit a short from here when the buying is completely exhausted. See, it's currently being very small, the volume is being very small, but we'll have to wind it around somewhere here, I think. Yeah, 800, 29,800 is what I'm expecting minimum. Give me a poll now. So what are you guys trading right now? Are you short or long? Stack today. Oh, your position on Nasdaq today. Yeah, let me know, guys. Let me know. Right. Okay. Basically, my setup is very simple here. Okay, started at around 29,906. Is somewhere around this level. SL being off somewhere around 100 points. So if you can see, there is a 61.8% fib retracement at around 29,756 level. That is where exactly I'm going to exit, right? Yeah, that's what we're going to do, right? Currently we are going around $150 of profit. Micro Nasdaq, single lot. So I generally trade around 30 minutes time frame. Okay. Let me know. So hit a like button if you are enjoying the stream. Let me check if there's a trend line going around here. Yes, there is. That is exactly our target zone, I guess. I hope I'm audible, guys. Hello. All right. Where we at? We at $156 in profit right now. Nasdaq around 29,832. We have shorted at around 29,906. Very simple setup. Single lot in micro Nasdaq. That's right. We are looking at booking around so the daily target that I keep per trade, because I've just started a prop firm challenge for my funded futures, and generally the target that I keep is around $200 to $300 per trade because for a prop firm challenge for a 50k account, I think that is the very good RR, and I try to keep the risk to at least around 100 points and reward at least double of that, that is 1:2 RR, right? And that makes much more sense than just, yeah, if you have got a lot of money then you can always buy multiple accounts and then risk big on it to increase the probability of winning. But I think if you're decent and you don't have so much money for big account numbers like 10-12 accounts, and if you can buy only a couple of those, I think you should stick to a good RR, good accuracy, discipline, and 1 to maximum of 2 lots per trade. So $165 in profit right now going on, around 164. Yeah. Uh-huh. I was just making up thumbnails in ChatGPT. You don't mind, guys? Okay, I'm way too lazy to do anything more than that. Day trading. So yeah, what is your position right now in Nasdaq? Let me know. Currently we're going around 175, $180 in profit, around something like that. We've shorted down. Don't mind me, I just have to change the thumbnail, please. Hold on for a second. I just need to write day trading there, highlight that more, I guess. Oh, where is it? I did download it, right? ChatGPT. Yes. Because some people might think that I'm doing positional trading here. So I just have to mention it that as day trading. There you go. I think we're done. Right. Coming back to the trade. So here we are. 175, $170 profit ongoing. 180. Just a single contract in Nasdaq, micro Nasdaq shorted MNQ at around 29,906. Hitting a target, waiting for a target at around 29,756, something around that. Most of the people might be, I don't know, but in India, these very few people are trading Nasdaq right now. Very few people. Not many retailers. Not all many retailers actually. Let me just hide that thingy. Right. Okay, we I think just how many points right now? I think around 60-70 points, far away from our target. Let's see how we're going about that. I might as well like to take a reverse trade from around here, but that would be a bit volatile because as the session starts, let me just check what is the pre-market opening for Nvidia and everything. Based on that, we can move ahead. Pre-market is doing okayish, I think. The Friday closing was also pretty good. Apple around the base price, Microsoft on the same, Amazon same, Google a weird gap up. What about gold? What's happening in gold? Let's see that. Let's see that. Okay, gold is also at a good support. If someone would like to buy gold, it would be somewhere around here with a stop loss of around a very small stop loss, I think, just around 14. But we'll come back to that later. I think first we'll have to see what is going in trade. So around $204, $205 in profit. in MNQ. We have shorted it at 29,906, waiting for our target, which is around 29,756. That's right. No other trade today. It's only this trade right now that is going on. That's all. $210 in profit. I would like to trade gold today actually, but let's see if we get a good setup. That is only when we're going to trade. Well, they're pretty good support zones though, right? What are you guys up to? What are you guys up to? What are you guys up to? Oh. So we are going around $240 in profit currently, as you can see. Shorted around 29,906. So we are going around 200 and current level 29,782. We are live now, guys. Let me just check the stream for a second. It's good, right? Nothing is decent. There's some stuff. Cool. $204, $205 going on right now. This is going to be TP. This is my SL. This is my entry. I want to be waiting till 6:30 and after that I'm going to be exiting, right? But this is a strong breakout if you see. What is your guys' position? I want to know. Are you guys short? Are you guys long? Very small position size that I've taken right now. Just shorted one contract of micro Nasdaq. That is about entry 29906. I'm waiting for 29756. It's about 150 points, somewhere around that I want to capture. What I think is I'm going to be waiting till about 15 more minutes, because from 8 o'clock I believe we're going to get some really weird ass momentum all over the place. So I'm going to be exiting before that anyhow. As if you see in the daily time frame, right? Let's check out the Nasdaq on the daily time frame. We might get some that here. $680. Now the levels that we have for GAN are around 670, right? 670. The level below this is 670. 29756 is one level that we are looking for. Okay. But other than that, we have 670 level, which is pretty good. After that, right? It may check those levels once again, is what I believe might do. Now, even if you have a Fibonacci from right here, that's going to come till around 701. Do we have any level on 701? Well, we don't. Then we come around 607, right? $670, right? Absolutely correct. That is absolutely correct. So I think I'm going to be waiting for these levels for sure today. We have two Fibonacci's according to which we should be waiting for the first level first initially, and then the second level. So the first target is going to be, let me just quickly draw it around here. This is the target one, which is 29,750, and this, then we have a target second that is going to be somewhere around these levels. Nine, 756, that's right. So these are the two targets that we're talking about. So currently we are at $262 in profits. I believe it can come till 29,670, right? Because, but anyway, I'm gonna be exiting before that in about 10 minutes, before 8 o'clock. I think I'd like to exit before that. I would have liked to wait for target 2, but I think it's a bit difficult, it's a bit tricky, since we have already had retested these levels earlier. Even if it comes for a retest, it's going to be extremely volatile. That's why I'd like to just wind it up around here, 756 to 670, about 50 points more. Let's see how it goes. Come on. Just a few points remaining, right? Just a few points remaining. In about 5 minutes, we will be winding up our trade, because I don't want to be part of that 8 AM onwards volatility. Sorry, I cannot. So hopefully it should give my target before that in about 5 minutes. And also, if you see, somewhere around these levels itself we have, so I don't think I'm going to go for target 2. It's going to be very risky. So just so that you guys have less confusion, we're going to remove this. I'm going to be removing this, right? I'm going to be removing the target 2. I'm going to be playing only for target 1. I am so new to trade. Wait, I know how do I remove this. Alright, we are very close to our target now. Okay, let's see if it gives us our target or no. Either way, I'm going to be exiting in about 2 minutes. I'm just going to press exit at market or sell market or buy market, whatever that is. I'm simply going to be exiting. No way. I'm happy with my $250 or whatever I get. It is way too risky to wait till there, Okay, we're very close to our target now. $29,780. We just need a few more points, about 20 more points, 20 to 25 more points to just take our target. That's all. Let's see. Let's see if we get our target or no. What my guess is, just about after 8 o'clock, it will form a really nice long ass wick till here, till about here, and then it's going to give a nice ass buying momentum, trapping all the sellers, and we need to exit before that. Okay, let's execute, I think. Okay, anyways, I'm going to be exiting. Okay, I have not waited for my target. I have exited very quickly, and profit of about $240 in total. Okay, because this is way too risky to wait after 8 o'clock. Cool. So we have captured of about let's see, 906 minus 785, 121 points. It is not bad, decent, I think. So yeah, so let's see if we get any other trade. We'll let you know. This might even just give a great momentum, but I just didn't want to take the risk because 8 o'clock is where shit gets really volatile, right? So yeah, so without just keeping looking at it and feeling bad, I'm just gonna be taking a break for a while, and then we'll start our streaming once again. Okay, All right, so good trade. Yeah, guys.